Good morning, okay? We have already packed another agarwood, guys, for today's video, guys. Okay, this is my stock here. Yeah, my dried agarwood, guys. Okay, it's like that. Okay, we have so much stock upstairs. This is ready for delivery, guys. Okay. The light color, guys, is just for reflection of our light, guys. Okay. It smells good, guys. This is our sample of our agarwood. It really smells good, yes. Now many are many are wondered and did not know how to select real agarwood, legit agarwood, guys. They didn't know how to find or to describe a real agarwood. Okay, this is our real agarwood, guys. Dark real agarwood. The result is brown, is but this is black, guys. Okay. Okay. On testing real agarwood, guys, legit agarwood can be tested through fire or lighting to uh, to see its smoke that spreads widely, and you can smell the fragrance, that 10 fragrance smell of a real agarwood, guys. Okay. Here we have a sample, guys. This is our sample of a real agarwood, guys. Okay. Okay, let's check if this is a legit agarwood, guys. Okay. We have lighter here. Okay. To see if it is legit or not. See? Hey guys, like this. Let's test this. This is the way on how to test a real agarwood, guys. Okay. 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 Smoke is very sweet, guys. Okay. The oil goes out, guys. Okay. On testing this, this is a legit agarwood. The oil here, you can see the oil. Okay. Okay. That is the oil. That is oil. Okay. That is natural oil from a dried agarwood, guys. Okay. If it is not an agarwood, there is no oil goes out here. Okay. May katas yan, katas ng real agarwood yan, guys. Ganito. Wala tong oil gating kanina, guys. Yan, nag-u-oil talaga siya, guys. Pag tinitesting mo ng fire. Okay. Let's try, guys. Yan. Okay. Ay guys, tanawa guys, makita ninyo. Okay, see, ang oil niya, guys, mugawas ning oil ani karon ho. Wala siya oil, pero pag ana nato mugawas yung oil. Guys, nag-oil siya. The oil goes out on this wood, guys. This is a good quality of agarwood. Finished product. This is a good quality, guys. Okay, that is the real agarwood, guys. Wild agarwood, wild lapnisan, Aqualaria malasinis, guys. Ito ang hinahanap ng karamihan, guys, kasi dito talaga ang good oil, OUD from Saudi Arabia. Okay, but this is from the Philippines. Next week guys, ano ko to lahat, ipagaling, ipapowder. Lahat na to, ipapowder ko ito para makaproduce ako, maka-extract ng mga oils for OUD guys. Okay? Because this is a good quality, high grade quality of agarwood in the Philippines guys. Okay? Ang procedure kasi nito guys, pag na-powder na, ibabad ito sa tubig 6 to 7 days hanggang sa maging malapot. Pag lapot na guys, ano na yan, lulutuin na ng 30 minutes to 1 hour. Pag malapot na, pag wala na yung tubig na natural na water na binabaran niya, kung wala na, pipigain na to ng tila. Yung tila na manipis, pipigain na to, hinasala lahat. Hanggang sa may oil pang naiwan nito. So that we can produce oil. Kasi wala pa tayong machine na tulad ng mga boiler na ginagamit sa Indonesia at Malaysia guys. Okay? Manual muna ang gagawin ko nito. Kasi madali lang naman pag-produce ng oil. Pag pinipig ko ano to, may gagalingin mo to, parang ginigiling, i-grind or i-sawdust. Ibabad sa tubig, 6 to 7 days, lulutuin, ipigain, tapos produce ka na ng oil guys. Okay? Repack na. Okay? Because there are so many inquiries me here that they want to buy my product, but you know, Philippines has so many rules, balaod, may laws dito na bawal talaga kung wala pa tayong permit kasi wild naman to guys. Pero dito sa amin property ko kinuha, hindi ito iba, di ko kinuha sa ibang mga property, sarili ko ito guys, kasi ninakaw na yung 20 puno namin, kaya kinuha ko na lang ito, baka nanakawin na naman, pinutol lang iba. Ganito guys, sa lahat ng interesado nito guys, pwede kayong mag direct message to me guys. Okay, this is agarwood from the Philippines, finished product. We have so much stock like this guys. Thank you very much and have a nice day.